Decorating Fanatic here. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now I hope everyone had a wonderful holiday, spending it with family and friends. Now today is Friday the 28th and I'm going to do a little shopping. Now I'm hoping the stores have Christmas items marked at 75% off. Now I am going to head over to Walmart first before the mall opens, and I'm going to try to find some wrapping paper, some Christmas cards, and maybe some name tags that I can put away for next year. So let's go ahead and go shopping and let's have some fun. I'm at Walmart and they went ahead and marked their Christmas stuff 50% off. So I'll give it a couple days and I'll come back and hopefully it'll be 75% off. So I just talked to a Walmart employee and they said starting December 31st they will have all their Christmas items marked at 75% off. So of course I'll be back. So my next stop is over to Pier 1 and it says deals up to 60% off, regular price. Let's go ahead inside and see what they have. So they do have 60% off all their Christmas pillows and Christmas decor. So they do have a few items left over from Christmas. There's some trees, some tree skirts. And we have ornaments.
3 for $20 3 wicks are the best candles around. And buy one get
Well, they have their pillows, buy one get one at 50% off, and of course I'm looking for buffalo check pillows and I haven't been able to find any. I haven't had any luck, and I've been in here before and I haven't found any. So if anybody knows where I can find the buffalo check pillows, leave me a comment down below. Well, my third stop is Kirklands. Now, I came in here the other day and they already had their Christmas items at 75% off, and they were getting a shipment in yesterday. So let's go inside and see what we can find. So Kirkland's got a shipment in yesterday, so it looks like they got some Valentine's items. And if you want to incorporate that little red truck into your decor for Valentine's Day, they have it here. So I thought that was cute. And they have some Valentine pillows. So now I'm headed into Marshall's, and it looks like the holiday is 50% off, taken at the register. So let's go in and see what they have left over for Christmas items. Well guys, I came across these accent chairs. They're priced at $100 each, and this is a gray color. And then if I go down the aisle here, they have several more. There's tan, and then down here they have a couple more. Well, I've made it to Dillard's, and I must say they have a ton of Christmas items, all 50% off. They got so much stuff in here. So maybe after a couple days, maybe that'll go to 75% off too, as their stock starts to get low. But like I said, they have a ton of stuff. Bath and Body Works, and they have selected plants at 75% off. Their body care is 75% off. And now they have their 3-wick candles priced at $10.50. So I'm going to go ahead inside and see what I can find. Hey guys, look what I found at 50% off. The little car with the Christmas tree, and they have them priced at $8.50, and they're 50% off. And this is an air freshener for your car, and it can go on your visor. And then they also have these scents that you put in there, and they also have these at 50% off too. So I think I'm going to get me a couple of these little cars with the trees because they're really cute. Well guys, I'm all done shopping, and of course I did find stuff at my favorite store, and I think they were out of their bags because it says White Barn, but I was over at the Bath and Body Works and I was able to find a couple things, as always, because that is my favorite store. And let me go ahead and show you what I found. Now these, I have the air freshener in my car, and these are the little refills for it, and I got 2 of those, and they're the Winter Candy Apple. And then I went ahead and got 3 candles. They had these priced at $10.50, so that was a good deal. And I got 3 of them. And then I went ahead and bought 2 of the hand soaps. I needed to spend an extra couple dollars. They were $3 each, so I bought 2 of those. That way I could use my coupon and get an extra $10 off. I got 2 of the spiced apples, and I got a rainforest gardenia. And I thought the gardenia would be a nice scent after the holidays going into spring. Now my son had bought me a couple of these spiced apple candles for Christmas, and I really like the scent, so I thought I'd pick up a couple more. And of course I got a couple hand soaps. Now lemon scent is very refreshing, so it's always nice to have a couple of these on hand. Now if you guys found any bargains while shopping after Christmas, leave me a comment down below and tell me about all the bargains you have found while shopping. And until next time, happy decorating!